Don't fall for these traps. Common algebra mistakes. Hi math lovers, welcome to Tito's Tutor, your math pedagogue. Today, we're diving into the algebraic jungle to uncover some common mistakes that students often make. Avoiding these pitfalls is the key to acing your algebra game. So let's get started. Common mistake number 1 is combining unlike terms. One common blunder is combining apples and oranges. Well, not literally, but combining unlike terms are not correct. Remember, you can only add or subtract terms that have the same variable and exponent. Let's see why. Let's look at this algebraic expression. 2x plus 3y plus 5x. Remember, there are two terms that have x, but only one has y. So you can combine 2x and 5x. 2x plus 5x is 7x plus 3y. 7x and 3y do not have the same variable, so you cannot add them together. This is your final answer to simplifying this algebraic expression. Common mistake number 2, distributive property. Oops. The distributive property is a powerful ally when used correctly, but students often trip up by forgetting to distribute across all terms inside parentheses. Let's take, for example, 2 open bracket 3x plus 4. It's not just 2 times the first term, but 2 times both terms inside the parentheses. Don't miss any friends at a party. So for this, you do 2 times 3x, then 2 times 4. 2 times 3x is 6x, and 2 times 4 is plus 8. This is your final expression for this bracket opening. If you do 2 multiplied by 3x and add 4 to it, for example, you do 2 times 3x to give you 6x, then you add 4 to it. This is not correct. Common mistake number 3, confusion with negative numbers. Negative numbers can be tricky. So anytime you see negative numbers in algebra, you sit up. Now, let's tackle the confusion around negative numbers. For example, negative 2x minus, open bracket, minus 5x. You close your bracket. Now, because I see a lot of negative numbers, I'm alert. The first thing I do is use this negative number to open up this bracket. Negative multiplied by negative is always positive. So I have positive 5x minus 2x. Now I have a negative number starting, which is negative 2x plus 5x. This can also be rewritten as 5x minus 2x. So now I have 3x as my final answer. So you see, negative multiplied by negative is always positive. So now they are not multiplying each other, they're just standing side by side. So that means they're either adding or subtracting. In this case, you can rearrange and you have 3x as your final answer. And there you have it, math lovers. 3 common algebra mistakes to avoid like a plague. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and share the video with your math buddies. Together, let's conquer the world of algebra. Don't forget to subscribe for more math magics.